National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over La Vista, or near Atlanta, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Marietta, Decatur, Sandy Springs, Smyrna, Dunwoody, Chamblee, Dorville, North Atlanta, North Druid Hills, Midtown, Druid Hills, North Decatur, Vinings, Sweet Auburn, Piedmont Park, Brookhaven, Little Five Points, Atlantic Station, and Sustain Memorial Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 1 p.m.